based on the vision and aegis of Honorable the Chief Justice and the Honorable Judges of the High Court of Gujarat, a national judicial conference is being organized on 9th and 10th of April 2022 at the 10th city of Kevdia Colony, near the Statue of Unity. Honorable the President of India Shri Ram Nath Kovind Ji, Honorable the Governor of Gujarat Shri Acharya Dev Vrat and Honorable the Chief Justice of India Mr. Justice N.V. Ramana would grace the occasion of inaugural session. Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat Shri Bhupendra Patel, Honorable Minister for Law and Justice of India Shri Kiran Rijiju, Honorable Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud through video conference, Honorable Mr. Justice L. Nageshwar Rao, Honorable Mr. Justice S. Abdul Nazir, Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Shah, Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, and Honorable Ms. Justice Bela M. Trivedi of the Supreme Court of India, and Honorable Minister for Law and Justice of Gujarat, Shri Rajendra Trivedi, would also attend the conference as special guests. First day of the conference will cover 3 sessions on the subject of mediation, which will also cover the aspects relating to court-annexed mediation along with the niceties about the commercial mediation and its benefits to the stakeholders. The second day of the conference will be on future of justice technology and judiciary and would concluded with the session of change management lessons for the justice delivery system. Proceedings of the conference will be live streamed on the official YouTube channel of the High Court of Gujarat.